How do we create a community-wide response to trauma? We already know that to be effective and sustainable, this movement has to be community-wide. Our research tells us that individual resilience is certainly important, but without a community focus on resilience across all areas in which we live our lives, individual resilience may be challenged. This 12-hour, 4-day live webinar course focuses on the overarching shift to trauma-informed care at the broader community level and how to get there. Let us help you shape your community's plan for moving to a trauma-informed and resilient community, one based on help, hope, and healing.